Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Make Money Online. So friend, today I will show you how you can make free money using this simple Android app. So guys, just finish this set please. Let's wait for a while. So friends, you can see here today's dividend 10,054. So guys, what you really need to do, actually you have to just click on a car with the 300 coin like that, and you have to add more car, and you need to swap together, join together to go to the next level. As it is saying level up successful, so okay, click on OK. You can see congratulations on level up bonus 2.50 available for withdrawal receive rewards. So you can see here the reward has been received. Similarly you have to do that for more. Just do that again. Now it is on level 3 as well. As you can see here guys, congratulations on the limited time dividend card. At the end of the countdown you will receive 8 minutes of platform wide advertising revenue share. Click OK. So guys, similarly you have to just combine same type of cards and you will be leveled up. So you just click on that gift card, as it is saying 1983 double claim. Yes, get it. That you have to just watch a little ad like that, and then you need to close the ad. Let's close this app. So, sorry guys, little worries about it. So guys, let's join together. Now move on to the next level as well. So just click on the claim receive reward like that. Click OK. Just say not get it directly. Similarly for that, get it directly. So just click on the different coins as well. Click on the cards. Let's see. Where is any one? Click on receive reward. Say, friends, sorry for inconvenience because of the internet connection and different ads. So it's very annoying, but yes, you really make a huge amount of money by playing that game. So just combine these cards together and see the good result. So you can see here at the store right now I am having three different types of car: level 1, level 2, level 3, and other cars I need to unlock them. And the more I get the higher level, the more I manage to be unlock these cars. So guys, let's see and wait. And you can see here saying lucky. When click on that, there are five different tickets. Let's spin the board like that. Let's click on the start button and claim this reward. I will provide you the link in the description. But guys, when you install the app for the first time, you will need to log in through the Facebook, and you will see a main interface like behind your invitation. Then I will provide you the link in the description. You have to copy and paste in that box and go to the next place to claim your bonus. So guys, don't forget to claim your bonus if you want to have a really good amount of money. So you will get some benefit like me as well. So it can help us to increase our network as well. So guys, that's all about, and how you can withdraw. As it is saying right now nearby, it is saying level 10, and 1.60 cents and 2.40 at level 2, and withdraw within 3 business days, 3% handling fees, and first time withdraw no fees. When you click on the withdraw no, as you can see here, minimum level 10 required. So as you know guys, I am just right now having 7 or 4 level, so I cannot withdraw, but you can get to level 10 in no time because it is very good game. As you can see here, I am already on the 6th level, so it is easy to get to the level 10. Let's do that for now. Now on the level 7, click on the tab button again, move on to the 8th level, C level. Thank you. As you can see here, more options. Move to the level 9. Here you are. So guys, I need to wait some time to claim 72,498 coins. Get to our coins. Let's click on that. Click on again, combining these different kind of cards together. As now I am right now I am level 9. Let's here you are. We are on level 10. Click on that, and now again just let's try to withdraw. Let's see how it works. It says minimum 5 videos required, current videos 1. So guys, they are saying that I need to watch 5 more videos, so let's do that again.